The Pixel lineup was first introduced in 2016. Since then, Google have continued to work with the aim of producing a smartphone that can compete with the very best. 8 years later, it looks like Google are there. This is the brand new Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's start things off with the unboxing. This year, Google have produced their packaging with the environment in mind. All packaging is 100% plastic free, but still designed very well. The box itself is sleek and minimalistic, containing just the essentials: the Pixel, a USB-C cable, and some documentation. Lifting the Pixel 9 Pro out of the box, the first thing you notice is its weight. It's substantial, not in a cumbersome way, but enough to immediately convey a premium feel, something that hasn't always been the case with previous Pixel devices. This year, I opted for Google's new Hazel colour. In person, this colour looks amazing. I genuinely think it is my favourite on any smartphone to date. The Pixel Pro lineup comes in two sizes, a 6.3-inch and a 6.8-inch display. I've chosen the larger variant, and it's immediately clear that Google have crafted something special. The phone boasts polished metal sides and a matte glass back, giving it a feel which is very similar to what we saw on the iPhone 14 Pro before the switch to titanium. The phone features a Super Actua display with an under-display fingerprint sensor. The screen stands out with its brightness and vivid colours, even under direct sunlight, thanks to its brighter display compared to last year's model. It also supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring a fluid experience across the device. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or just watching videos, it's clear to see from the start this display delivers a top-notch visual experience. As for the fingerprint sensor, this seems to be incredibly fast and reliable. No issues here whatsoever. Focusing on the back of this phone, the camera bump, while sizable, is cleverly designed to stretch across the back, which eliminates any wobbling when placed on a flat surface, something I really appreciate. The buttons feel sturdy and the curved edges make it feel comfortable to hold. From every angle, it's clear that Google have put significant thought into the design of this device. While it looks great online, it's only when you see it in person that you truly appreciate the craftsmanship that has gone into this phone. The impressive design extends beyond just the hardware, becoming even more evident when you power on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The software experience is nothing short of exceptional. Everything feels fluid and smooth. The interface design is both fun and visually appealing, striking a perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics. Even the haptics have been fine-tuned to enhance the user experience, a notable improvement over other Android devices. From the moment you start using it, this phone feels like the iPhone of the Android world. Every aspect, from the visuals to the touch response, seems meticulously polished. While the Pixel 9 Pro XL is overwhelmingly impressive, during the short time I've spent with the phone, one issue has become quite apparent: the performance of third-party applications. This isn't exclusive to the Pixel, it's a broader challenge within the Android ecosystem. Apps like Instagram, for instance, don't always run smoothly, with some experiencing design flaws or software glitches that detract from the otherwise stellar experience of the device. This is especially noticeable if you're transitioning from an iPhone, where app optimization tends to be more seamless. The good news is that outside these apps, the Pixel 9 Pro XL shines with its fluid performance and top-notch user experience. I'll be exploring this issue in greater detail in my full review, where I'll also compare it with other devices. While updates might address some of these concerns in the future, it's a persistent challenge that Google and the Android community still need to tackle. Despite this, however, the Pixel 9 Pro XL seems to be an impressive device, offering exceptional features and innovation. If you're interested in seeing how this phone holds up after long-term use, then get subscribed and stay tuned. As expected, the highlight of the Pixel 9 Pro is its camera system. Even after just a couple of weeks of use, I'm already impressed. The images coming out of this phone are nothing short of incredible. I've taken shots with both the Pixel and my iPhone, and in many situations I find myself preferring the results from the Pixel. Of course, we'll have to wait for the full review to see how it holds up over time, but so far it's looking very promising. This year, the Pixel 9 Pro's camera system boasts a 50 megapixel main sensor that delivers incredible image and video quality, capturing every detail with precision. The new 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera also adds another level of versatility, offering stunning macro focus shots. For those who love zoom photography, the Pixel 9 Pro combines a powerful telephoto lens with advanced video processing, allowing for smooth, high-quality video, up to 20x with super res zoom video. The front-facing camera is equally impressive, featuring a 42 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus to ensure your selfies are just as good as the photos taken with the rear camera. All of this is enhanced by Google's AI, creating a camera experience that could very well be the best on any smartphone today. Alongside its impressive hardware, the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a suite of AI features that elevate the photography experience even further. With Google's Best Take, you can combine similar photos into one perfect picture, ensuring everyone looks their best. The Magic Editor provides studio quality edits and enhancements, allowing you to remove distractions with Magic Eraser, move subjects around and more, all thanks to Google's advanced AI. The new Reimagine feature takes this even further, enabling you to manipulate images in creative and innovative ways. It's astonishing how much you can do, and while the feature will continue to evolve, it's already incredibly impressive. One of my personal favourites is the new Add Me feature. This ensures no one is left out of a group photo by allowing you to swap in the photographer seamlessly. The Pixel magically merges both photos and it works exceptionally well. It's a feature I can actually see myself using quite often. AI continues to be a major part of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and this year Google have taken it a step further with the integration of Gemini. This powerful AI tool is accessible right from the lock button. Pressing and holding the button will allow you to interact with Google's version of ChatGPT. Gemini seamlessly integrates with your device, offering a range of capabilities that enhance your daily tasks. For instance, you can take a photo and chat with Gemini to help, like creating a recipe from what's in your fridge. It can also summarize Google Docs and read Gmail messages, making information retrieval quicker and more efficient. The Pixel 9 Pro feels exponentially more powerful and smart with Gemini integrated within the phone itself. Google have also introduced the Circle to Search feature from the S24 Ultra, allowing you to circle any part of your screen and perform a reverse image search. This feature is incredibly intuitive, letting you quickly obtain information about anything you're viewing, whether it's an object, text, or a scene. In addition to this, Pixel Studio enables you to create custom images from text prompts, similar to what Grok can do on X. You simply describe what you want, and Pixel Studio generates an image based on your input, providing a creative tool that's both powerful and versatile. It truly feels like Google have packed every cutting-edge AI feature into this device, enhancing both functionality and user experience. The Pixel 9 Pro XL not only showcases Google's commitment to AI, but also sets a new standard for what a smartphone can do with advanced technology and artificial intelligence. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is a remarkable testament to Google's commitment to excellence in smartphone technology. It's the culmination of years' worth of work with its stunning design, cutting-edge display and powerful camera system. It looks like it delivers an exceptional user experience across the board. The integration of advanced AI features like Gemini and innovative tools such as the Circle to Search and Pixel Studio further elevate this phone's functionality, making it a standout choice for tech enthusiasts. That being said, this is not the perfect smartphone, and there are still things holding it back. Third-party app optimization is something that definitely needs addressing before this can be considered the perfect smartphone. But for now, if you're looking for a phone that combines premium hardware with unparalleled AI capabilities, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is a compelling option. Stay tuned for the full review, where I'll dive deeper into its performance, compare it to other flagship devices, and address any concerns. What do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comments below, and if you are still watching up to now, then hit the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel to see lots more content like this. For now though, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.